Hello everyone, Anthony and Patrick, greetings from Puppy World, April 30th, 2012, day 148.
I see you when I look at the cup by my bed, the hearts on the wall above my head. See you in the pictures by the window. I smell you in my sheets and in my pillow. I hear you each time the train roars by. I feel you in the drops that fall from the sky. Our initials on the wall, I wait for your call. Outside's the rain, I can feel your pain. Outside's the rain, yeah, I can feel your pain. I plead to you on the wire, my insides feel the fire. Are we still on trail? Where did I fail? Like a boat in the wind without its sail, like a cup by my bed that used to feed your lips and fingers. Outside's the rain, I can feel your pain. Outside's the rain, yeah, I can feel your pain.
Patrick. Where's Seamus back? Patrick?
Who will I pick up at the train station? How will I feel your body's sensation? Whose hand will I hold on to drive? How would I feel alive? Where will I run in town? How could I not feel down? Who would I be with the night? To stop and kiss at the light. The stress and pains, the burning veins. I just have to know that you won't let me go. Outside's the rain, I can feel your pain. Outside's the rain, yeah, I can feel your pain.
Your toy. Patrick, get your toy. Hello everyone, greetings from Puppy World. April 30, 2012, day 148, greetings from the Garden State, New Jersey. Hanging out with the dogs, me and Pat, working on being famous, listening to Mike Rock, my good friend. We appreciate him being part of Puppy World. Thanks for stopping. See you soon. Take a look. You look alike. Alright everyone, Puppy World, Patrick and Anthony and Seamus, April 30, 2012, day 148. See you soon. Thanks for stopping in the Garden State. Okay. Alright, have a good day everyone. See you soon. Puppy World, Pat and Anthony, Seamus. Hello everyone, Anthony and Seamus. Greetings from New Jersey. We can't forget Seamus. He made it all possible. April 30, 2012, day 148. Thanks for stopping. See you soon. Have a good day. Thanks Mike Rocket for the music. And thanks Seamus for tolerating me. Alright, have a good day everyone. See you soon. Bye.